Do you have a plan for handling your taxes? We're going to find out why this is important next. Tax season is a year-round event. Payroll taxes, estimated quarterly taxes, sales tax, income tax, the list goes on and on. Trying to avoid taxes, waiting until the last minute to do them, or handling them without professional guidance are all big mistakes. When you have several shops, your taxes get a little more complicated, especially when you have locations in different cities, counties, and even states. Taxes became even more challenging last year, as businesses had to account for PPP funds, other economic assistance, business loans, and changing workforce levels. That's why you need a good, trusted accountant, along with a staff member who is dedicated to collecting and managing your tax data. Here are some tips to help with taxes. Keep good records. Establishing your internal account systems with taxes in mind will help save lots of time and stress in collecting the needed information. Plan with your taxes in mind. When you're planning to purchase major equipment, open a new location, add new services, or increase staff, keep the taxes in mind in advance. Keep abreast of major tax changes. Reading national business media and paying attention to your local community is important as tax changes are being discussed. It's critical to know the right questions to be asking your accountant. Don't try to take shortcuts or avoid payments. If you can't pay the full tax bill, work with your accountant to negotiate a payment plan. Listen to your accountant. First, develop a tax plan with your accountant for the year ahead and account for several scenarios like consistent performance, sales increase, or sales decrease. Second, schedule quarterly review meetings with your accountant to review your status, upcoming changes, and your planning for the upcoming payments. Third, put your accountant on speed dial. If a question comes up, it is great to have a resource to call for advice so you don't make a mistake. Having a strategic plan for your taxes is critical to your bottom line. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.